be upon you. Dear viewers, how are you all? May Allah keep you all happy and prosperous in your homes, always smiling. May Allah remove the worries of those who are troubled. May Allah grant health to those who are sick. May Allah grant homes to those who are homeless. May Allah grant righteous children with long lives to those who are childless. Amen. Amen. O Lord of the worlds. With this lovely prayer, let's start today's video. And here we are going to do a very amazing glam eye look. But you guys don't have to skip the video. Watch it fully. Here, I have taken a purple eyeshadow and it is a completely matte shade. And first I have set the shade well. Then later I blended it and see how well we have blended it that we wanted a very light purple shade. And here we will do a cut crease. A full eyes cut crease eye look, and it will be a glittery eye look, and God willing, you will like it very much. And along with that, I would like to say that those who have come new to my channel today, must like my channel, subscribe, and if possible, share it too, because it takes us a lot of time to make a video. It takes a lot of time, believe me. Making videos, editing, and posting takes up so much of our time, and we bring you very easy tutorials, so please be sure to like and subscribe to our videos. Crease eye look, and it will be a glittery eye look, and God willing, you will like it very much. Making videos, editing, and posting takes up so much of our time, and we bring you very easy tutorials, so please be sure to like and subscribe to our videos. And here, when we did the cut crease, we applied a light face powder here to lock it in, so that our shade applies nicely here. And here, wherever we did the cut crease, we're applying a gray shade. And what you have to do is, you have to do the eye look according to your dress. Whatever color is in your dress, blue, green, orange, you will apply that shade here. And this was a shimmery shade, and I took the gray shade from Kashish's palette, and you can take this shade from any palette. So, I applied this shade by tapping it, because it was a glittery shade, and these glittery shades apply very well with the help of a finger. So, you don't have to blend them much. They adjust very well. And wherever we did the cut crease, we applied this shade there. So, how beautiful our look was looking. And here, we are applying black shade. And when we applied the shade here, it looks so lovely. And now we'll apply liner. We have to apply the liner beautifully, nicely. And first, we'll only apply the liner up to the eyeball. Then we'll apply glitter. Then we'll create a little wing. Okay? So here, I've always told you in the video that whenever you're doing glitter eye makeup,